Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your title and nickname in Heartopia. For instance, you want to change your name and the title that you have. Just press tab and select your profile picture. Select this icon to edit your title. You can press this. So I just have it as princess. So for the prefix title, I selected none. Connectives, I selected none as well. And then the suffix title, I selected princess. But you can have more than one. Maybe you're like a star princess or a flower princess or whatever. But I'm just going to press none because just princess. And then press use, and then for the nickname, you're just going to edit nickname here. For instance, your princess Annalise or something, I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.